Well, hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. Today we are in my primary suite, and I will be sharing a quick Christmas takedown as well as a few of the items that I purchased from Home Goods. I will also be sharing how I decorated the space for the winter season. So if that sounds like something that you would like to see, please keep watching. Okay guys, so everything is packed and ready to go. Now sometimes some of you ask, where do I keep my Christmas decor? Well, I have quite a bit of storage throughout my home, but when it comes to the second floor, which is where the bedrooms are, I like to keep the Christmas decor stored in a nearby closet or in that particular room. And so what happens with this Christmas tree, which is in the black bag, it will go under my bed. This tree will go in a small bag and stored on a shelf. And then all the rest of these boxes will go in the bookcase at the back wall. And before we get into decorating, I wanted to share with you the few items that I did pick up from Home Goods for the end of the Christmas season. I only got a few items, but I found these Christmas stockings for $3.50, and I only bought two. They have four. I should have bought four. I probably will regret it. I didn't need it. I didn't have any intentions on buying anything, but when I saw those, I thought you better get those. And so I think I'll use them up here next year, so that's why they're here. And then this Christmas tree I picked up as well. It was $10. I love the little fur wrap that it came in, and it is a lighted tree, and so I will use that in my Christmas decor next year. You guys didn't get to see this room, but I did do like a cabin woodland glam theme, and so I'll probably do the same thing next year. We really enjoyed it, and so yes, with that brings this Christmas season to an end. Okay guys, so there are a few items that I will be using for this refresh that I recently picked up from Home Goods, and this is a set of sheets that I recently picked up. They look to be a warm gray with a little brown undertone, and so I thought that would be perfect for the room. I normally don't go for sheets as dark, but because it's winter, I thought I would try these darker sheets, and so yeah, I hope that looks really good. We'll see what that looks like in a few minutes. I am going to wash these, so hopefully they look nice when they come out of the wash. Okay, so next I picked up this pillow, and I actually had this pillow during the Christmas season. I had picked up one, and I thought I only wanted one. So when I was in there the other day, I saw a second one, so I went ahead and picked it up because you never know when you want a set of pillows. And this was on clearance for $8. And the sheet set, how much was this? $29 for the sheets. And I get a lot of my sheets from Home Goods, and I've been pretty satisfied with them, and so hopefully those work out as well. And then I use this over the Christmas season, but I will also be using it in the winter refresh, and that is this really pretty cozy throw, and it has really pretty colors of brown and gray, and I just thought that was perfect, and it looked so good during the Christmas season that I thought I would go ahead and use it again and use that same cozy cabin vibe for this refresh. Okay, so let's get started. All right, guys, so let's get this place cleaned up so I can start to decorate. All right, guys, so this is my winter refresh. And so I wanted to keep the neutral palette for the winter, but I wanted to warm it up with some different materials and textures. So I have the Cozy Throw, and I love the variation in the color of gray and brown, which picks up the colors in my pillows. So I brought in some artwork with a little bit of brown, which I got from Target a few years ago. So I wanted to continue with the evergreen, and I brought in some evergreen to reflect the trees from outside. I can't quite see the evergreen because the sun is setting and it is beautiful. Can't buy that. And I placed a little evergreen in the bookcase just to warm it up. But on the fireplace mantle, I kept that pretty neutral. So during the holidays, I had a lot of silver on my Christmas tree. And I wanted to continue the silver. And so I brought in a mercury glass bottle. But I wanted the one that had a little bit of brown to pick up the brown in the room. I also brought in this wooden ball for a little texture. Then here you can see I have the brown pillow that I picked up the other day from HomeGoods. And guys, most of my pillows do come from HomeGoods. These pattern pillows I picked up several years ago. And actually the ones behind them in the white with the tan trim, those came from Target. And so even though I am using quite a few light colors, I think the evergreen and the brown just brings in the warmth. And so here in the bath, I wanted it to be like a spa retreat. And so I just added a few more elements from HomeGoods. And so in here I also added evergreen to the carnations, I believe they are. And so in the spring, all I need to do is to remove the evergreen, and I will be ready for spring.
I can't keep up with your mood swings. What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Well, I don't get it. You say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you,
Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at the next one. Bye-bye.
What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love away. So you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do.